What's up traders, John Howell here from officialjohnhowell.com. In this video I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on what happened yesterday in the S&P 500 and just show you what actually happened, or should I say what happened basically end of close today, S&P 500, and also what some things that are coming out in the markets right now to keep an eye out for. In this video I was just giving it, this is all just general advice only. I don't know your personal situation or your circumstance. And the point is this, is that don't take a trade based on what I'm telling you right now. It's just not that simple, right? It's important that you, trade the market is difficult. 95% of all traders lose money, okay? And so it's really important that you take what I'm here and continue to learn and continue to learn and continue to get coaching and so on and so forth. So, and if you're one of these traders that have been trading for a while and you don't seem to be getting anywhere, up the top here it says top 30 mistakes. Click on that. It's going to take you to another video where it's going to take you to another page where you can see a video that walks you through the top 30 mistakes that most traders make so you can move forward. So anyway, so actually in this video I'm going to give you a quick walk down on what I see in the S&P 500. Now yesterday we can see that this was the day before. This was actually today as of close, and you can see it actually ran right up to this trend line here. On the daily chart, you can see this trend line coming down through here. Ran up, hit this trend line, and came down and closed there. It rejected that trend line through there. And so, what we can actually see if we look at a smaller time frame chart, that's the daily chart. The weekly chart also. You can see here on the weekly chart that it's been continually hitting this area. So we've been having a lot of. Let's just remove this here. You can see we're having a lot of support down this level here, but we also have got a bit of resistance level up here as well too. So here's the things that I'm looking out for tonight, because I'm in Australia, so I trade the US market at night. The things that I'm looking for at night to see what's happening here. So firstly, we have this trend line through here. You can see this whole resistance through here. The next thing I do see is what I'm actually looking at is, let me just get my trend line drawing tool, is I can see there's like a bit of a sort of maybe like a bear flag formation, okay? A bit of a bear flag formation there, and so let me actually just draw that in. So you can see basically from here to here, you can see there's a whole bunch of resistance or a whole bunch of support area coming up through here. So it's sort of squeezing into this whole triangle pattern, and again you have like this sort of a bit of a channel formation happening as well too through here. This has happened in the last couple of days. So looking forward to tonight, what I do see is this, is that there's a few things that's going to happen here. One, we are going to hold this support, and you can see this level of support here on the S&P 500. If we have a look here, okay, we can see that this whole area through here is a pretty tight support resistance. You can see it's actually been bouncing off, and we're in a nice tight area on the smaller time frame. This is the 2 hourly chart. And so what I do see is that if the market starts breaking above here, then this area here, which was resistance, you can see here, it's actually, let me get my pen out. Okay, you can see here that it hit resistance, and now it's bounced off resistance again. Now it's bouncing off support. So we're at an area of support and also resistance through here. So if the market breaks up, then it's likely to come down and find this as support, and then spend some time to the high side. If indeed the market does break down, then that's when we can see the market breaking down towards the lows. If the market breaks down below here, so I can come back up, test this as resistance, and then break back down towards these lows. And if that does happen, then that's when we're likely to see probably a bit more downside towards this level through here. So that's looking over for tonight. So anyway guys, that's what I see for tonight. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you like this, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and let me know what you would like to see in these videos when it comes to a technical analysis and what sort of stocks you like me to look at. And once again, guys, don't put on any trades unless you see the top 30 mistakes, because these top 30 mistakes, guys, are the 13 mistakes that most traders make. So that kills most of their chances, or any chance of them making money in the markets. As you know, 95% of our traders lose money in the markets. So click on this little image up the top here. Click on that image. It's going to take you over to see that video where it's walking through the top 30 mistakes, so you too can stop making mistakes, because you know yourself, right? It's all about those mistakes that we're making that is stopping us from moving forward. Anyway guys, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.